Happy New Year, boys and girls. This is our first video of the new year, and we are going to be using basic facts to approximate decimal quotients with two-digit divisors. So let's look at our first problem. Again, remember this second number here is our divisor. Okay, so how many groups of 17 can we make out of our whole, which is 39 1/10? Okay, so first thing we do when we estimate in division is we always estimate the divisor first. Round the divisor first. I'm going to round the divisor to 20. Okay. Then I'm going to think about, using my basic facts, what could I round 39 1/10 to so that it's easily divisible by 20? I can easily make groups of 20. Well, I'm going to round that to 40. Okay. 40. Okay, so 39 1/10 divided by 17 is approximately 40 divided by 20, which is approximately 2. Okay, let's try it with this problem here on the right. Again, our divisor is 17. How many groups of 17 can we make out of 3 91/100ths? I'm going to round my divisor to 20. Then I'm going to look at my dividend, my whole. I'm going to round that to 4. Okay. Since I know easily how to work with multiples of 10, say this is 4 divided by 10 divided by 2. I know 4 divided by 10 is 4/10, and 4/10 divided by 2 is 2/10. Okay, so those are two simple ways to use estimation and your knowledge of basic facts, okay, to approximate the answer or the decimal quotient. Okay, let's try another one. All right, our next problem is 63 6/10 divided by 73. Again, we're going to start by rounding our divisor. I can round my divisor to 70. And then I want to think about 63 6/10. What could I round this to a whole number that's easily divided into groups of 70? Well, I am going to round this to 63, okay, because I know 63 divided by 7 is 9. So this is 63 divided by 70, which I'm going to say, since the 70 is a multiple of 10, 63 divided by 10 divided by 7, which would be 6.3, or 63/10 divided by 7, which is 7/10. Okay, let's try one more, very similar to the one we just did. 6 36/100ths divided by 73. The first thing we round again is our divisor. I'm going to round 73 to 70. Now I'm going to use my knowledge again of basic facts, right? I know that if I was thinking about 7 goes into 63 9 times. So I can use my knowledge of those basic facts to help me come up with a good estimate. I'm going to take this whole number here, and I'm going to actually round it to 63/10. Right, because I know that 63 goes into 7 nice and easily, so I can play around with that. 6 3/10 is the same thing as, if I were to write it like this, 6 3/10. Okay. I'm going to do 6 3/10 divided by 10 divided by 7. 6 3/10 divided by 10 is 63 hundredths. Okay. Divided by 7, so 63 hundredths divided by 7 equals 9 hundredths or 0.09. Okay, so that's the approximate answer. It's going to be around 9 hundredths. This will be around 9 hundredths. Let's try. This time I want you to try it on your own. Okay, so it's 11 72 hundredths divided by 42. So I want you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then watch the video to check over your answer. Okay, you may not have the same exact estimate as I do, but you should have pretty close reasoning. Okay, so please pause. All right, good job trying it on your own. Again, we're going to round our divisor. I rounded to 40. I took 11 72 hundredths and I rounded it to 12. Why? Well, because I know that 4 goes in nice and easily to 12. So I want to use my basic facts to help me. In this problem here, I'm going to use my knowledge of dividing by multiples of 10 to break up the 40 into 10 and 4. 12 divided by 10 is 1.2 or 12 tenths divided by 4. 12 tenths divided by 4 is 3 tenths or 0.3. So my estimate, right, my answer to 11 72 hundredths divided by 42 is 3 tenths. All right, one more, boys and girls, that I want you to try on your own. So after 3 24 hundredths divided by 82. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to try this one on your own, and we're going to go over it tomorrow morning in class. Have a good night.